Hey guys, welcome back to HelloVSTV. Today we are checking out two lenses from the Sirui Vision Prime 1 series T1.4 full frame Cine lenses, specifically the 24mm and 50mm. And honestly, these lenses are trying to bring true cinema quality into a much more affordable space. Sirui Vision Prime 24mm T1.4 Cine lens, priced at $549, is an ultra-wide full-frame Cine lens with a fast T1.4 aperture and cinematic rendering. Sirui Vision Prime 50mm T1.4 Cine lens, again priced at $549, is a classic cinematic focal length with shallow depth of field and strong subject separation. Right out of the box, both lenses feel very solid, aluminum alloy build, compact and surprisingly lightweight for Cine glass, around 600 grams. What I really like, they kept everything consistent across the lineup. Same size, same gear positions, same 67mm filtered thread, so if you are using follow focus of rigs, you don't need to adjust anything when switching the lenses. Huge plus. Now let's talk about the most important thing, image quality. Both lenses are full frame, covering up to a 46mm image circle, clean edge to edge with no vignetting, even open gate. And that T1.4 aperture, this is where things get cinematic. You get beautiful subject separation, very smooth bokeh thanks to the 12-blade design. Great low light performance without pushing ISO too much. Here is how I personally see these two lenses. The 24mm is perfect for wide shots, establishing shots, gimbal work, studio environments, which gives you that immersive cinematic feel without distortion getting out of control. And the 50mm is your storytelling lens for interviews, portraits, product shots, supernatural perspective with strong background separation. These are true Cine lenses, not photo lenses pretending to be Cine. So you get 270-degree focus throw for precise control, stepless aperture, no clicking, minimal focus breathing, consistent color across the set. And one more feature that I really like. Interchangeable mounts, E mount included, plus R, F, Z and L mounts. So if you switch systems, your lenses stay with you. This is where Sirui is really changing the game. Each lens is roughly around the $500 to $650 range, which is crazy for full-frame T1.4 Cine glass. This puts them way below traditional cinema lenses. So if you are a filmmaker, content creator, or even a hybrid shooter, and you want a true cinema look without spending thousands, these lenses are absolutely worth checking out. Also, if you want to get the most out of this lens, using compatible filters makes a big difference. One of my favorite ones are from H&Y Digital, which gives you great control over light, so you can maintain natural shutter speed for video or shoot wide aperture even in bright conditions. I will leave a link in the description below in case if you want to check this out. This is all for today's review. If you are interested about these lenses, you can find the discount code in the description. So please don't forget to like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.